Graphitization is a fascinating process that scientists at Cambridge University believe might have played a crucial role in the emergence of life on Earth. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Imagine the early Earth, a chaotic world frequently bombarded by massive space objects. When one of these objects, about the size of our moon, crashed into our planet around 4.3 billion years ago, it brought with it large amounts of iron. This iron reacted with the water on Earth's surface, creating a tar-like substance. Now, here's where things get interesting. When this tar was exposed to extremely high temperatures, over 1500 degrees Celsius, from the planet's hot magma, it underwent a transformation called graphitization. During this process, the carbon in the tar turned into graphite. Yes, the same stuff we use in pencils today. But why is this important? Well, graphitization doesn't just make graphite. It also produces some very special molecules called nitriles and isonitriles. These molecules are like the building blocks of life. They're crucial for forming proteins, phospholipids and nucleotides, which are essential components of living organisms. What makes graphitization particularly exciting is its cleaning effect. Unlike other chemical processes that create a messy mix of products, graphitization produces these important molecules in a relatively clean environment. This simplicity is key, because life is thought to require ordered, less complex conditions to begin. Scientists have found evidence supporting this theory in ancient rocks called komatiites. These rocks, formed from extremely hot magma, tell us that the early Earth had the scorching temperatures necessary for graphitization to occur. While this process hasn't been recreated in a lab yet, it offers a promising explanation for how the ingredients of life might have come together on our planet billions of years ago. Astrobiology, the study of life's origin and its potential existence elsewhere in the universe, finds the concept of graphitization particularly intriguing. Here's why. The molecules produced through graphitization are fundamental to life as we know it. If this process can occur on Earth, it might also happen on other planets with similar conditions, potentially setting the stage for life elsewhere. One of the biggest challenges in understanding how life began is explaining how complex biological molecules could form in primitive environments. Graphitization offers a relatively simple mechanism for producing these crucial compounds, making the leap from chemistry to biology seem a bit less daunting. Understanding the conditions necessary for graphitization, like high temperatures and the presence of certain elements, could help scientists narrow down which exoplanets might have the right ingredients for life. If scientists can successfully replicate graphitization in the lab, it would allow them to study the early stages of life's emergence under controlled conditions. This could provide valuable insights into how life might have started on Earth and potentially on other planets. The study of graphitization brings together various scientific fields, chemistry, geology, astronomy, and biology. This interdisciplinary approach is characteristic of astrobiology and essential for tackling complex questions about life's origins. While graphitization is still a theoretical model, it represents an exciting avenue for research in astrobiology. It offers a plausible explanation for how life's building blocks might have formed not just on Earth, but potentially on other worlds as well, bringing us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos.